On the assembly line, accuracy isn't just important, it's critical. The difference between success and failure comes down to every fastener, every move. But what if every move was perfect? No room for error, no guesswork, just flawless execution every single time. The ATX Intelligent Torque Driver works seamlessly with torque reaction arms, like from DOGA, and universal robots, offering precision and efficiency whether by hand or automation. The ATX controller logs torque and angle data for every fastener, providing full traceability for each assembly process. This data can be exported for quality control and audit purposes, offering peace of mind when meeting industry standards. The ATX Intelligent Torque Driver combines a high-precision transducer and digital encoder for precise control. It monitors torque and angle in real time, ensuring every fastener is tightened to the perfect force and position, eliminating errors and delivering reliable results. Discover how the ATX system can transform and streamline your assembly process. For more information, visit our website, chptools.com.